the award-winning Derek Caprido. Derek Caprido, please on stage for photo op. Gitna muna tayo direct, please. Ayan. Sige, you may take photos as Jerry, Leia, andito, taking photos. Sige, huwag lang naka-i-block yung dadaanan ng cast. At from can we paki-assist na ako sa upo si Direk. Sarah, join us here, please. And Ian. On stage, sa gitna tayo for photo. Ang husay nito, lalo na sa ano. Ayan. Ito rin, ako ang morbida ng death sa salita. Na-reveal ko tuloy. Nakita nyo naman, nasa gitna siya ng kali, duguan. Isa nasa preso, may hiniganti. That's Ian and Sarah Edwards, also part of the cast of Untold. That's Juan Carlos. No JT, no Juan Carlos. No, Juan Carlos.
Hello. Hi there. Hey.
Not gitna photo. Ayan, there it is. Tari ng pascoring. Derek Caprido. Okay, thank you na, Juan Carlos. She is portraying ang inspirasyon ko ng ating bida. She is the inspiration kung bakit nagawa ang film ni Vivian. Hindi na pa-explain kasi parang may makakapag-share ako na divulge ko. She is very, ang ganda ng role is Gloria Diaz dito sa Untold. There she is. Let's go, Miss Sue. Join us here. Okay, ayan. Later on, we'll have a group photo naman po. At syempre, eto na. Medyo hindi siya gumagawa ng teleserye, but she is really serious at making beautiful movies. Without much ado, I'd like to call in Joel Pascon! Sabi ko, are you looking good, Joel? Masyado akong advanced. Ang dami kasi namin announcement later on. So, nakaka-excited magaganap today. Na gusto ko manggaling sa kanila lahat magaganap sa announcement today. And last weekend, we did a kick off the promotion in Cebu! Very congratulations team Untold sa successful PanCon at MediaCon. Joem, gitna muna. Joem, gitna muna. Looking good, oh! Okay, thank you. Join your co-actors, Joem, as I call in. Asia's Best Actress, Jolie Santa Maria. Talk show online. And then, left and right ng endorsements. Tapos left and right ng movies. And finally, Untold is showing in April 30. That's Jolie Santa Maria.
One more Jody.
Can we be going out to Jody so she can join her co-actors here? Kanina pa kung 9 o'clock ng umaga sa Jody ready. Nag-showtime kasi siya. Yeah. Picture daw muna with the whole cast. Ayan. Solo muna and then we would like to request. Ayan. Oh, ayan. There you go. Please welcome Jody Santa Maria sa isang material na favorite niya, which is horror. Okay, you may now join co-actors. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the the cast of Untold. I'd like to call in the executive producer of Regal Entertainment, the face of the new face ba? It's okay. Is it okay to say this? Pero sobrang, he's so engaged as an executive producer. Please welcome Keith Monteverde. Junior cast there. Okay, we'd like to hear syempre from the cast. From left to right, Joey Mascon, Derek Caprido, Lian Valentin, Miss Gloria Diaz, Jody Santa Maria, Juan Carlos, Sarah Edwards, and Sir Keith